Let's begin with the chilling details that have come in of the murder of the Bangladesh MP Anwarul Azim. It has taken a sensational twist, with the police now suspecting the involvement of a Bangladeshi national, Shilashti Rahman, to honey trap the MP. Azim had come to Kolkata on the 12th of May for medical reasons and then went missing on the 14th of May. His body is yet to be found, but the police officials believe that his body has been chopped up into pieces. The CCTV footage, in fact, has also emerged where two hitmen who have been identified as Amanullah and Zubair are seen leaving the New Town apartment with bags. These are the visuals that you're seeing on the screens. We'll just play out the visuals of the CCTV visuals that have emerged that show the two hitmen in the case.
के एक जान पहचान के मिस्टर गोपाल विश्वास हैं बारानगर के। उन्होंने एक मिसिंग डायरी कराई बारानगर में कि वो मिसिंग हैं, क्योंकि उनसे उनकी बेटी ने कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की थी और वो कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पाई, तो उन्होंने मिस्टर गोपाल विश्वास को कांटेक्ट किया बताने के लिए कि हमारे फादर से कांटेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है। इस बेसिस पे उन्होंने मिसिंग डायरी की, जिसके बेसिस पे बैरकपुर पुलिस कमिश्नरेट ने एक SIT गठित की उनको खोजने के लिए। ये हमारे पास एक इंटीमेशन आया मामले का इंक्वायरी देखने के लिए वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट के, और उसके बाद 22 तारीख को आज हम लोग को एक इनपुट मिला कि उनका शायद मर्डर कर दिया गया है। तो हम लोग इन द मीन टाइम लोकल पुलिस ने ट्रेस आउट किया है जो लोकेशन लास्ट जहाँ पे वो देखे थे फ्लैट में, और उसके बाद ये केस जो है CID ने लिया है।
So the spotlight is now on Shilashti Rahman, who has been arrested in Bangladesh by the Dhaka Metropolitan Police. She is one of the 3 accused persons who have been arrested in Dhaka. And according to sources, on the 13th of May, Rahman was seen entering the residential apartment in New Town along with the MP and 2 other men. Shocking details have also emerged on the way Anwarul Azim was murdered. He was smothered, and once dead, he was de-skinned, with the flesh being removed from the bone, being minced and then put on poly bags and disposed of. In fact, the police believe that the bones were also cut up, packed and disposed of across Kolkata. The police have arrested an illegal Bangladeshi resident, Jihad Havaldar, who was living in Mumbai. And according to the police, he claimed that he was brought to Kolkata by Akhtaruzzaman Shaheen, who is believed to be the brain behind the murder. Shilashti Rahman, who is said to be an associate, is believed by the cops in Bangladesh to be the brain behind the murder. Now, according to the police, the murder had taken place at the rented apartment of Akhtaruzzaman. This is in New Town, Kolkata, where the CCTV visuals have also come in from. And another American citizen, Shaheen, is said to have fled to the United States after the murder. Meanwhile, politics has also played out over the incident. The BJP has blamed the law and order deteriorating, blaming it for the murder, saying it is easy to commit crimes in West Bengal under the TMC government. The TMC, though, has said that the murder was committed by Bangladeshis and the police is cooperating with their Bangladeshi counterparts. Listen in to the political slugfest that has been sparked off.
देखिए, सही बात ये है, साफ साफ दिखाई देता है कि भाई कहाँ पर किसी क्रिमिनल को काम करने में आसानी रहती है, उसमें वेस्ट बंगाल उनको आसान लगता है कि यहाँ पे हम क्राइम भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी हत्या भी कर सकते हैं, और यहाँ पे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जिस प्रकार का हालात हैं वहाँ बच के भी निकल सकते हैं। ये वेस्ट बंगाल के लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पर बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है।
চলতেই থাকে প্রথম পদে কোন ইলেকশন কে কেন্দ্র করে কোন খারাপ হয়নি, শান্তি ছিল। ইলেকশনের আগে ওরা আক্রমণ করেছে, একজন 56 বছরের মহিলাকে যে নৃশংসভাবে হত্যা করা হয়েছে। পশ্চিমবাংলায় মহিলাদের কি সুরক্ষা আছে এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে। সম্মান প্লাস আপনারা শুনেছেন বাংলাদেশে যে এমপি এখানে ট্রিটমেন্ট করতে এসেছিলেন, তিনিও খুন হয়ে গেছেন নিউটাউনে। পশ্চিমবাংলায় কার সুরক্ষা আছে? দেশি বিদেশি, স্ত্রী পুরুষ, গরিব ধনী, শহর গ্রাম, কোথাও সুরক্ষা নাই। সেটা বারবার প্রমাণ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। সাধারণ মানুষ এটা বিচার করুন।
जिस ढंग से मर्डर हुआ तो कोई निरापत्ता ही नहीं है जनता का, कोई लोगों का। इसीलिए इस केस का पूरा छानबीन राज्य पुलिस का बाहर होना चाहिए और CBI को सौंपना चाहिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन को इस बात को, और तुरंत से तुरंत इसका कार्रवाई करके जो लोग इसमें दोषी पाया जाएगा उनके खिलाफ कड़े से कड़े दंड देने का बंदोबस्त होना चाहिए।
It is absolutely unfortunate and an inhuman instance which just cannot be tolerated, which just cannot be swallowed. But it has become clear to all by now, even the Bangladesh government has admitted that the entire conspiracy was done by the people who reside in Bangladesh only. And they have also admitted they got all cooperation from our police. And our CID has taken up the issue. And we are sure that not a single culprit will be spared. All of them will be taken into task.
My colleague Adrija is joining us on the broadcast with the details that have come in on the case and the politics that's playing out. Adrija, there are chilling details that have coming in a sensational twist. It has also been revealed that there was a honey trap angle to it, that this was a murder that had been well planned and executed in West Bengal. The accused said to be an illegal immigrant. But amid all of this, politics also playing out.
Absolutely, you see, first of all, very important details coming out of the murder that had taken place of the Bangladesh in Newtown area of West Bengal, and we have seen that this particular person have been murdered, and not only that, after he was dead, his body was minced into pieces and put in polythene packets and then taken away, and this was done in several parts of Kolkata, and therefore a major challenge has been to find the body. Apart from that, also political structures have opened up where the CMC administration that it is so easy, but it means that it's very easy for people to cross the borders and enter the state of West Bengal and commit a murder in a place like Kolkata. And at the same time, the TMC have retaliated by mentioning that this was a pre-planned murder done by people residing in Bangladesh itself, and the police of West Bengal is cooperating with the Bangladesh police.
Okay, all right. So the politics around it continuing. The police officials are also looking at the details that have come in. An illegal immigrant is said to be involved in the case. But Adrija, the details that have come in are also extremely sensational. In the gory manner in which the murder took place, apart from the details that have come in of how it had all been well planned and executed, with the brain behind the murder being from the United States. What have the police revealed so far in the case?
Well, you see, what the police have revealed till now is that the person who was involved in some kind of gold smuggling, and therefore there was a rivalry that was going on within two groups, and as a result, the particular MP was murdered, and the person who orchestrated the entire thing, the mastermind of this entire plan, has now fled to the United States and is residing there at the moment. He holds a Bangladesh passport. But of course, this is a result of some kind of business that has gone wrong, and that is what the police is saying. And of course, this is a very brutal and unfortunate incident that has taken place. But nevertheless, the police is investigating the matter.
Okay, all right. Adrija, thank you for joining us with those details. Like we mentioned, the police officials investigating the case and also finding out details of how it all unfolded. CCTV footage is going to be extremely crucial in the case.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Clean by. It's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।